Glass recycling begins with powering mountains of discarded bottles collected daily from cities, factories, and industrial facilities across the country. Each bottle carries visible marks of use, surface wear, and time before entering a carefully controlled industrial recycling process. Together, these bottles begin an engineered journey designed to recover value from materials once considered waste. Inside the facility, long conveyor systems move mixed glass steadily toward automated processing lines without interruption. The scale becomes clear as thousands of bottles flow continuously forward through machines designed for constant operation. Massive industrial systems operate non-stop, engineered to handle extreme volumes with precision, consistency, and long-term reliability. Forklifts transport heavy containers of glass waste, maintaining a steady rhythm that keeps production flowing smoothly. Clear, green, and brown bottles travel together initially, awaiting precise separation by advanced automated sorting technology. Up close, scratches and surface damage reveal the glass's long life cycle before entering the recycling stream. Bottles drop into advanced sorting systems, marking the first major stage of material transformation. Machines power up in synchronized motion, operating with relentless accuracy and mechanical discipline throughout the facility. The camera moves deeper into the heart of the recycling plant, where automation controls every process step. Optical sensors scan each piece of glass at incredible speed, analyzing color faster than human perception allows. In milliseconds, the system identifies material composition and sorting requirements with machine-level precision and accuracy. Compressed air jets fire in controlled bursts, responding instantly to sensor data and system commands. Each precise blast redirects glass fragments onto separate paths without direct physical contact. Clear glass separates cleanly, moving toward its own dedicated conveyor line for further processing. Green glass follows a controlled route, engineered specifically for its composition and reuse requirements. Brown glass continues along a separate path, ensuring purity and consistency throughout the recycling process. Every movement is optimized to reduce contamination while maximizing efficiency and material recovery rates. High-pressure water jets activate, washing away dirt, labels, adhesives, and surface residue from the glass. Powerful streams strip the glass down to its raw surface, removing years of accumulated contamination. As residue disappears, the original clarity of the glass gradually begins to reappear. Clean glass fragments move steadily forward on vibrating conveyor systems toward the next stage. Vibrating screens remove remaining metal particles and impurities missed during earlier separation steps. Only clean, pure glass continues onward through the tightly controlled recycling process. Rotating drums tumble the glass fragments, ensuring uniform cleaning across every surface area. Inside the drums, glass collides smoothly, controlled, repetitive motion that prevents damage. The cleaned material gathers together, prepared carefully for the next critical transformation stage. The process now shifts toward controlled crushing operations within the facility. Glass enters powerful industrial crushers, designed to withstand extreme force and constant operation. Inside the crushers, bottles shatter into thousands of sharp fragments within seconds. The crushed glass, now called cullet, forms a consistent and uniform particle texture. Conveyor systems transport the cullet smoothly onward through enclosed processing lines. Under focused industrial lighting, the cullet reflects like raw crystal across moving surfaces. Automated sensors verify particle size continuously, with exact precision and strict tolerance limits. Oversized fragments are detected immediately and removed automatically from the production flow. Only perfectly sized cullet continues forward toward melting and reforming stages. The cullet fills massive storage silos, awaiting exposure to extreme heat. From here, the journey moves steadily toward the furnace section of the facility. At the furnace, the scale of the recycling operation becomes immense and visually striking. Furnace doors open, releasing a blinding orange glow generated by intense internal heat. Crushed glass feeds steadily into the molten chamber through reinforced industrial channels. Extreme temperatures distort the surrounding air, emphasizing the intensity of the process. Inside the furnace, solid glass melts completely into a glowing liquid state. The molten surface bubbles and shifts constantly under sustained high temperatures. Streams of liquid glass flow continuously, bright and fluid like controlled fire. Precision channels guide the molten glass forward with absolute mechanical control. Sensors monitor temperature constantly to maintain stability throughout the melting process. The operation transitions smoothly from melting to forming without interruption. Molten glass is cut into exact, carefully measured portions using automated systems. Each glowing drop separates cleanly from the flowing stream with precise timing. Droplets fall onto rapidly spinning rollers positioned below the cutting zone. Rapid rotation shapes the molten glass into near-perfect spherical forms. Surface tension completes the transformation, smoothing each piece naturally. Glowing marbles roll forward uniformly, matching size and shape with remarkable consistency. Metal tracks guide their synchronized movement toward controlled cooling systems. Cooling begins gradually, and the intense orange glow slowly fades away. As temperature drops, each marble's surface smooths and stabilizes evenly. Marbles enter a controlled cooling tunnel designed to prevent cracking, internal stress. Inside the tunnel, heat is reduced gradually and evenly across every piece. The glass solidifies fully, locking color patterns and internal structure permanently. Finished marbles exit the tunnel hardened, stable, and ready for final refinement. The process now moves toward the polishing and inspection stages. Large rotating drums polish thousands of marbles simultaneously through controlled motion. Inside the drums, smooth collisions refine every surface evenly without damaging structure. Automated camera systems inspect each marble in detail for defects and imperfections. Any imperfect pieces are detected instantly and removed from the production line. Only flawless marbles continue forward toward final presentation and packaging. Under controlled studio lighting, finished marbles reveal flawless surfaces and balanced reflections. Inside each marble, layered colors form unique internal patterns, stabilized during cooling and polishing. As marbles roll together in slow motion, uniform spheres demonstrate consistency and repeatable quality. Even lighting glides across polished glass, highlighting perfect curvature and precise geometry. This final stage represents complete transformation, turning discarded glass waste into precision-crafted marbles through controlled industrial engineering. Through engineering, heat, and precision automation, recycled glass completes its journey, reborn as flawless marbles, ready for a new life.